Zombie Apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to Intern Zone. Today I am here with Ramtej. Ramtej, hearty congratulations to you. How are you feeling?
Yeah, thank you, Akash. I'm feeling a bit excited as it's my first job and it's my first earning.
Okay.
So probably everyone will be excited about their first income. So in the same way, I do feel excited.
Okay. And Ramtej, can you tell me how was your interview experience? Like good, bad, like that.
Yeah, interview experience is good. I mean, as it's my first interview, uh, I was a bit nervous at the beginning of the interview, but the interviewer who interviewed me was very friendly. He made me much more comfortable. So,
Okay.
so it made me a bit easy to interact with him easy effectively. So that's the reason I could give my interview in a awesomely.
Oh, nice. And Ramtej, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. I am Ramtej. I am currently pursuing my BTech fourth year from Senior Institute of Science and Technology. And recently, I do get placed in Cognizant through on-campus placements, uh, and that's it.
Okay. That's great. And Ramtej, which all company interviews did you attend before? Like, was this the first interview or did you attend
No,
anything before?
before I attended Deloitte, so this is my second interview.
Okay. What questions, can you tell me what questions did they ask you in this Cognizant interview?
Yeah, firstly, they asked me to introduce myself, and after that, a bit of questions related to technical, and
Okay.
some of the general questions like real-time situations, and a few coding questions. I'm like coding questions and then one aptitude or two aptitude questions. That's all they asked me.
Okay. Like, what was the difficulty of the questions? Like, were they easy or
No, they are just basic ones. All we need to have is a basic idea about the subjects which we come across through our curriculum, like C, Python, and Java, HTML, DBMS. All we need is basic knowledge about these subjects.
are there any questions which you couldn't answer in the interview?
No, no. All the questions I answered. So, so no question I left unanswered.
Okay, that's really great. Uh,
Yeah.
uh, can you tell me which programs did they ask you in the interview?
The programs they asked is one is prime number program,
Okay.
which is a very basic one, and another one is it's Fibonacci series. It's not a series, complete series, but they ask you to print the nth Fibonacci number, which is also a very basic one.
Like,
So
did you execute them or did you type that in the chat of?
no, I executed them. There is a console where we need to type the code and we need to execute it.
Okay.
So they will check our code whether it is correct or not, and we should produce our output.
Okay. And can you tell me the exam pattern of your Cognizant Elevate exam pattern?
Yeah, exam pattern is there are first section is MCQs.
Okay.
Uh, all are related to computer fundamentals like DBMS, data structures,
Okay.
C, and a few other languages. And next section is coding round, and there are a total four coding questions, and they were arranged according to the difficulty level. And first one is a very easy one. Second one is a bit moderate one, third one is medium one, and the last one is a hard one.
Okay, so there are
So
four questions.
as
One is easy,
yeah, four coding questions.
hard, and extremely hard.
Mm, yeah,
Okay, and after that,
and there is a MCQ section where all the basics of the computer fundamentals are asked, like data structures and time complexity and the sorting algorithms and all,
okay,
and a few questions from database management system,
okay,
and that's all. As per my knowledge, those were the questions asked.
okay. And what was the cutoff for going to interview?
Actually, cutoff is so there are they will so divide into two categories. First one is Gen Z next. Next one is Gen Z Elevate. So Gen Z next is top of the hierarchy, and below it Gen Z Elevate role will be. So if you're able to execute two coding questions, then we will be shortlisted for Gen Z next, along with the MCQs.
Okay,
And if you only able to, attempt the all the MCQs correctly, if most of the MCQs were correct, and if you are not able to execute any of the coding question, then will be shortlisted for Gen Z Elevate.
okay,
So if you are not unable to if you are not even able to do the MCQs, then we will not be shortlisted for any either of the jobs.
okay. Then what about Gen Z? One more role was there, right? Gen Z, which is
Yeah,
some.
for Gen Z, a separate exam was conducted
Okay, so
in
it's
which no
not
computer
linked to this
fundamentals.
exam.
Yeah, it's not linked to our mentioned both the roles. It's
Okay,
separate exam is conducted for this. Only
okay,
aptitude was asked, I think,
okay.
for Gen Z.
Okay, Ramtej, can you tell me like how long was the duration? Like after exam, how long it took for your interview? Like how many days gap
It
for getting call?
Okay, I got a call after 2 weeks of my after I attended the exam,
Okay.
and
Then
within 2 to 3 days, I think I got HR call.
okay. Then when were the results
HR,
out?
yeah, results announcement of results took a bit of time, cause because there are many students who are to evaluated. So it took nearly 3 weeks of time
Okay.
to announce the results.
Okay. And do you know anything about service agreement? Do you have any service agreement?
No, I think as per my knowledge, they didn't ask any agreement.
Okay.
So there is no agreement for Cognizant,
Okay.
and they even offered 3 to 4 months of paid internship come training.
Okay.
So which starts in January. It's in 4/2.
Okay.
They'll pay for that internship.
Okay.
So after that, if you perform well, may they will make it permanent. Full time job.
Like, did you get
So
your offer
there is
letter? Like the split of your salary?
no till now I didn't get. I only I didn't get any offer letter, but
Okay.
they announced the results. So I checked.
Like letter of intent, something like that, or even that you
No,
didn't.
no. Till now I didn't get. I think it takes some time
Okay.
to get the offer letter and all.
And
Uh,
Pankaj, did you ask any questions to the interviewer?
yeah, I asked about how well I performed, and basically I asked for a feedback.
Okay.
Is there any field I need to improve like that? So
Okay.
there's a question I asked, and I even asked one more question, which is how will be the work-life balance in Cognizant?
Okay.
That's the question I asked.
Okay. What did they tell? Like how will it be about work life
They
balance?
said about work-life balance. Uh, they said that work-life balance will be very good. I mean, uh, as it is an MNC, we don't have much workload because there will be lot of people who will be working along with us, and
Okay.
their workforce is very large. So because of this reason, we don't have that much workload. So it's a benefit, it's advantage working in MNCs. We do there will be a well balanced work in personal life.
Ramtej, I have heard something about Cognizant. Like recently, uh, like so many people were laid off. Like almost 35% of the company was laid off. Like, do you know anything about it?
No, I don't have any idea about that.
Okay. Okay, and you cracked your interview, right? Like, can you tell me some
Yeah.
gunpoint tips? How did you crack? What was your preparation style? Like that.
Preparation is I just prepared basics about of all the subjects that were added in our curriculum, and I did a bit of research about the company. They even asked what you know about Cognizant,
Okay.
and we need to be spontaneous. I mean, we need to be confident and we need to be spontaneous
Okay.
because they asked some real life question. I mean, real time questions like what was the difficult situation you faced in your life, and what did you learn from that?
Okay.
Like that, a few questions were asked. So we need to be spontaneous enough to answer those questions,
Okay.
and we need to carry a smile on our face so that we'll pleased interview will be pleased by us, and we need to be a bit confident.
Smiling tip. Smiling tip is a golden tip, I guess. Like no one.
Yeah, actually it works many times.
Okay. Okay, Ramtej, can you tell me how are your parents' reactions? Like, are they happy for this for your job?
Yeah, they are a bit happy, and they are I think yeah, they are happy because every parent will be happy for their son's first job, right?
Yes.
And but they said that I could have tried a bit more. I mean, a bit more, and I could get an higher salary job.
Okay. Like you still have
Uh,
time, right? Like you need
yeah,
to
I'm
clear.
preparing for that. I
Okay.
still have time, and I'm preparing for that. There are a lot more opportunities come along on our way. So
Okay.
I'm looking forward to a place in a better company than Cognizant. I mean, which offers
Okay.
much more salary. Yeah,
Okay.
they are happy. Every parent will be happy for their son's first job, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you saw, Ramtesh told us so many golden tips for preparing interview. Like one of the tip was always keep your smile on your face, and that's my favorite tip for today. Thank you, Ramtej, for giving me this interview and sharing your experience
Yeah,
with our
yeah.
subscribers. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Akash, for giving me the opportunity to share my experience, which would help a lot of people who are attending their interviews. Thank you.
Do like, share, and subscribe for Intern Zone. Thank you.